I had a fantastic relationship with my grandfather and even with my grandmother. In fact, I'm probably sitting here today because of my grandmother. She spoke very little English, and I spoke to her in Yiddish when I was a child. And everything went fine until I was about 8 years old. Then I came in one day and she said to me, "Dovidel, come here, help me." What? And I started to respond to her in Yiddish, and she said, "No, no, 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 no more Yiddish, English, English." She had started to go to night school, and it was my job then to help her with her homework. And although I loved her dearly, I blame her for losing my Yiddish, because after that, everyone spoke English, and I lost most of my Yiddish over the years. Yes. Frank Sinatra has a song, "My Way," which I love. I think it's one of my, if not my very favorite song. And there's one passage in that song that says, "I have regrets, but then too few, and too few to mention." Well, my one regret that I do mention is the fact that I did not have a good childhood Jewish education, and I lost my Yiddish language skills. And I do regret that. The education, the religious education, I made up partly for as an adult by my own reading and research and whatnot, but the Yiddishkeit, the Yiddish language is only coming back a little bit now, and I'm working on it.